Hi, my name is Kate August and I'm an herbalist. That means that I work with plants as medicine and teach other people how to use plants as medicine. I grew up here in the Bay Area. I was born in Berkeley and grew up just outside of Oakland, and I studied at the California School of Herbal Studies. As a herbalist, I wear many hats. I make medicine, I teach other people how to use the plants and learn about their benefits, how they can bring them into their home. So this is silk tassel here, and you can get an idea of why it's called silk tassel. It's these very light, texturally pleasing flowers that hang upside down. This plant grows in various different regions in California and has been used and is used as a muscle relaxant. Plants basically provide life for us. They provide all of our food, they provide shelter, they provide our clothing, they provide oxygen for us. So plants are very important. And plants are really what was originally looked at to inspire modern day medicine. I'd like to say that bitters have been used since people have been walking the earth. We haven't always had access to medicines and foods year-round. People have been forced to live with the seasons and preserve the bounty of what was available. Basically, as long as alcohol has been available as a preservation method, people have been using bitters medicinally. So the flavor bitter is really important because it has a lot of actions within the body. It has physiological effects that happen in the body. I kind of think that herbs came to me. I look back and see all of the ways I interfaced with plants over the years, and there's one thing that stands out, and I think for most people that I know, it's something personal. I've worked with plants a long time. I grew up gardening with my mom. We always had a big seasonal garden, just always being outside. But really the big one for me was having a personal health issue that came up, and I found myself in the emergency room. And it was the recovery period from that that really drove me into herbalism. And so I met a naturopathic doctor who kind of realigned me using plants, and I was convinced. I think there's so many ways that we can support the body, and using plants and other practices are just one of the many toolkits. And I'm very grateful for allopathic medicine and for doctors and surgeries and things like that, because that's really important as well. But there should be a harmony between the two. Medicine is whatever makes you feel good, truly, if you look at that definition. And I think the medicine, the plants will speak for themselves. If someone were open-minded and wanted to try something, I believe that they would feel the effects. And if we can nourish ourselves and be resourceful and use plants and all of the things that are around us, then hopefully we'll see a shift.